Hi guys and welcome to my show जिंदगी आपकी है. We are soon going to have Ranvijay on board. Yes, are you excited? Hi everybody. Hello. So it's my new celebrity talk show Zindagi Aapki Hai, where I would want all you guys to join me every Saturday at 9 p.m. to get lots of dose of motivations. How are you all doing in these difficult times? I know it's not safe outside and it's really difficult. The situation is very difficult, but we all have faith that this time shall pass by. हमें विश्वास है कि ये वक्त ना ठहरा है, ये वक्त ना ठहरेगा. And we are all desperately waiting for Ranvijay to join us. Yes. Hello Parth, hello Kaushik. Hi Global Live. Hi Mohit. I can see a lot of waves over here, a lot of hearts over here. Thank you so much for so much of love. I am just someone like you who is trying to inculcate lots of positivity and happiness in all our lives. You know, we all know that it's not easy to face competition in the times which are going out right now. So we all are here to get some dose of positivity, to know other people's success mantra and failure mantras as well. Because if you don't fail, you can't succeed. So we have Ranvijay here, and hi Ranvijay, I am so excited. So yes, we have Ranvijay joining us in our show Zindagi Aapki Hai. Hi Ranvijay.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm
Good to see you.
How are you?
Very well. Hope आप और आपके family members सब they are safe and sound, and
Yes.
I'm really happy that we're getting to do this because आप काफी सारे लोगों को motivate करते हो और you know at this time positivity और अच्छी चीजें लोगों को अगर दिखाएं और inspire करें it's very good. I'm really happy that we're doing this.
I am so happy to be here with you, Ranvijay. I can't tell you because it's not about just a celebrity. It's about someone as inspirational as you. You are so welcome to my show, and I'm honored that someone like you is my first guest on this show. Welcome.
First of all, thank you so much. Such a honor. And secondly, just want to say best of luck. Really nice concept. And let's begin with a bang. You tell me, what is this all about and how you been in the lockdown, and how did you come up with the idea of the show?
Thank you for asking this question, Ranvijay. Zindagi aapki hai. So, which means life is yours. But with time and situation, we tend to forget that life is ours. There is so much of, there is social media and there is WhatsApp, there's Instagram, there's so much competition outside that eventually people are forgetting कि अल्टीमेटली जिंदगी क्यों है. जिंदगी आपके जीने के लिए है. जिंदगी एक जर्नी है, एक खूबसूरत जर्नी है जहाँ फेलियर्स भी हैं, सक्सेस भी है, सब कुछ है. So this show is not just about celebrities but people like you who inspires others. They come from a humble background and then they touch so much of success. So if you can do it, everyone can do it.
Anyone can. You're right.
Yeah, anyone can. Right. Whoever works hard like you. So you are totally welcome on my show, Ranvijay. First, you tell me how you and your family have been amidst lockdown.
So around 16th of March, which is my birthday, हम लोग रोडीज की जर्नी पे थे, and we decided that there was a lockdown that was going to happen very soon. उस टाइम पे 19th को I think they were telling all the productions to shut down. हम लोग हिमाचल में नहीं थे, but we decided on the 16th of March that we'll all go home because हमारे क्रू में ना बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो अपने फैमिली के सोल bread earners भी हैं, and they are the pillars of strength in their families, and also I just felt like everybody should be with their families अगर ये lockdown लंबा होने वाला है. So 17th of March I was with my family, and from that day onwards to just 2 days ago we were together. So lockdown has been it's been an up and down journey, but I've realized that a lot of positivity has come out in the entire world. बिकॉज जब ऐसा लग रहा था यार बहुत मुश्किल टाइम आने वाला है, ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको आपके घर में अपने फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने को मिल रहा है विदाउट एनी आपको छुट्टी लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, ना ही कोई
Exactly.
ऐसा आप पे प्रेशर है कि अरे आपने टाइम ऑफ कैसे ले लिया. सो एक ठहराव आया जिंदगी में इन मार्च वेयर देयर वर लॉट्स ऑफ एंशियस मोमेंट्स कि यार अभी काम नहीं होगा, कहाँ जाएंगे, क्या शोज होंगे, क्या लोगों की. देन यू स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट अदर पीपल जो अपने फैमिलीज के साथ नहीं है, यू नो. देन यू स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट अदर पीपल जो अपने घर जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. And you
Exactly.
realize that you got to count your blessings and then you got to start doing those things. Then I realized, you know, हम लोग हमेशा लाइफ में बोलते हैं यार ये किताब पढ़नी थी, टाइम नहीं है मेरे पास. अरे यार मेरे को ना अपनी बेटी के साथ वो आर्ट्स एंड क्राफ्ट्स करना था, अरे टाइम नहीं यार, आई विश हैड द टाइम. सो दैट आई विश हैड द टाइम को मैंने काफी सीरियसली लिया. एंड आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ दीस थिंग्स that I want to do with my daughter, with my wife. We started doing many activities at home, arts and crafts. मैंने खुद का एक wall बनाया. Then छत पर we started doing other
Wow.
activities, and painting and, you know, clay and this and that. And this was almost like God sent. And I then realized that the more you talk about how you're spending your time, many people get inspired. तो घर पे
Very true.
अलग अलग वर्कआउट्स करने की कोशिश और लोगों को दिखाने की कोशिश कि अरे घर पे विदाउट इक्विपमेंट भी जिम जाने की जरूरत नहीं, आप ये कर सकते हो, वो कर सकते हो. देन आई सॉ माय फ्रेंड्स लाइक रणवीर बरार एंड अदर पीपल जिन्होंने घर पे आप कैसे कुकिंग कर सकते हो, क्या बना सकते हो, अगर आपके यही चीजें हैं तो इससे आप ये बना सकते हो. एंड आई थिंक एज अ होल यू सीन अ लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिव पीपल कमिंग आउट एंड यू नो जस्ट स्प्रेडिंग हैप्पीनेस. एंड जैसे आपने बोला जिंदगी आपकी है, तो जिंदगी आपकी है, आपके फैमिली के साथ आप हो, हाउ वुड यू एंजॉय इट. वो पिक्चरें देखो जो आपको उनके साथ देखनी थी, वो कार्ड गेम्स खेलो, प्ले स्क्रैबल, प्ले कैरम बोर्ड भी ले, you know. So all of these things we did. And I got an opportunity to go to London in the middle.
Wow.
Because my wife and my daughter, you know, they're British citizens, and उनके लिए वहां पर they were covered better. And my in-laws are there, and my wife's grandparents, and we wanted to be there to help out. So my wife wanted to be there. तो वहां पर हम गए. अब मैं वापस आ गया हूँ बॉम्बे because I need to be, you know,
Back to
soon
work?
we're going to start, you know, back to work also. And it by me being here, it's also my life is connected with lots of people here also. Work, giving, you know, you have to be there to support each other, family, friends. बहुत जल्द हम लोग दोबारा शूट करेंगे. एंड वी ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट कैसे एक in the government rules and regulations we can get back to work. And because when we start working, you know, a lot of families that are joined, from the lightmen to the production people to people who work in our industry, चाहे वो गाड़ी चला रहे हो, चाहे वो कुछ भी कर रहे हो, a lot of people. So if we start working and if we say, you know, अगर सही precautions लेंगे और हम काम करेंगे, बहुत लोगों की जिंदगी में प्रभाव पड़ेगा. So that is why we're trying to start it.
आपने बहुत सच बात कही रणविजय की. बात एक तो ये ब्लेसिंग है कि हमें इतना टाइम मिल चुका है अपनी फैमिलीज के साथ स्पेंड करने के लिए, विच इज लाइक गॉड गिफ्ट. हम सब हमेशा सोचते हैं कि कुछ ऐसा हो जाए कि दुनिया 24 घंटे के लिए बंद हो जाए एंड यू गेट दैट एक्स्ट्रा 24 आवर्स. गॉड हैज गिवन अस सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम. बट पर आपने बहुत सच कहा कि जो लोग लाइटमैन से लेकर अपर लेवल तक हैं, काम, पैसा अर्न करना, काम करना, earning living is also very important. So getting back to the normal with all the precautions obviously is also important. It's not just about us, it's about everybody. Everybody has to survive this phase, and then emerge as a winner.
In my talk to my parents and I talk to my in-laws and everybody, and they were like, why you don't need to work and all that. I'm like, that is okay, but if I go to work, there'll be at least 100 200 families that will, you know, so it's very important for all of us to do that for each other because they've supported us. हम लोग 15 16 17 साल से काम कर रहे हैं एक साथ. तो that's one. Secondly, I think people have learned how to be more grateful. Yeah, क्योंकि जो लोग you take a lot of things for granted. नैना, घर में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वाईफाई, खाना पीना, आपको किसी भी टाइम पर आपको कोई भी फिल्म देखनी हो, कोई भी आपको सीरीज देखनी हो, वो मौका होना, ये चीजें सब ये लोगों को लगता था कि ये तो होती हैं लाइफ में. नहीं, ये you got to get up in the morning and be grateful for the things that you have, you know. And हम लोग तो फिर भी ये बातें कर रहे हैं कि यार मैंने नई कुकिंग सीखी, मैंने नया सीखा. जस्ट इमेजिन दोस पीपल जिनके पास ये नहीं है, राइट? सो देन यू फील वाओ. तो इसीलिए मेरे को काफी सारे लोगों से ये प्रॉब्लम थी कि वो जो बोल रहे थे अरे हम घर में हैं, घर में क्या करें, अभी मेरे को बाहर जाने का मन कर रहा है. यार तुम्हारे पास घर है. Look at the glass. I look at the glass as half full. You also always look at the positive part of the situation, not just the negatives.
Right?
So
many people who are dependent on so many people. So आप जब कमाते हैं तो आपके काम से सिर्फ आपका घर नहीं चलता, बहुतों का घर
बहुत
चलता है, बहुत लोगों
यस
का घर चलता है, तो उनके घरों का क्या? ये आपको जो थॉट
एग्जैक्टली
है जरूर करनी होना चाहिए। बहुत लोगों को जो खुद शेल्टर में है डर रहे हैं कि नहीं भाई प्रिकॉशंस क्यों लेना, बाहर क्यों जाना, हम बहुत कंफर्टेबल हैं अपने जोन में, वी आर एंजॉइंग, वी आर हैविंग फन, प्लीज टेक प्रिकॉशन, गो आउट, लाइक Ranvijay said कि you know lot of people depend on you, their work depend on you, so be grateful, they have
या
given you so much when you needed it, now it's time to
या
give. Very good
दैट्स
thought, Ranvijay. And Ranvijay, I wanted to ask you, as your fans, all the fans already know that you come from a honored army background, and you were just about to join Indian Army. So, you know, going to roadies and becoming such a big celebrity, nothing was ever planned. You did not plan all this. I did all the digging and research on you. You did not plan all this. So, how
no
has the journey been?
The journey has been good, and I think the answer lies in your question itself because मुझे आर्मी में जाना था because I saw the life there. I was exposed to the beauty of the army life, which was I mean, you serve the nation. There's a lot of respect. I'd be the sixth generation of my family to do so. I wanted to ride bikes. I wanted to travel. I wanted to do all the obstacle courses and the sports and all the good things that come with the army life. And um, I saw that for the first time when I went for roadies only to win a bike. I told my dad that मैं roadies पे जाता हूँ, कोई शो है नया शो, इस पे अगर आप जीत जाओ तो आपको बाइक मिलेगी. अगर मैंने बाइक जीत ली तो पास आउट एकेडमी से पास आउट होते हो एज एन ऑफिसर तो फिर बाइक पे पैसे खर्चने की जरूरत नहीं है. He said, "Great, I go enjoy." It was like जा सिमरन जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. So I went, I won the bike, and then I saw the things that I wanted to do in my life. You know, I'm passionate about many things, about adventure sports, about riding bikes, and I saw that then. I was only 20 years old. For me, it would be the path, and my life was written that you know in the army you would go. I knew from the word go what courses, how to what you know all the OLQs, also like qualities that you're looking for as an army officer's son. You do have them. And that would be second nature for me to go to the Indian Army. But for me to come out and try to figure out life, हम लोग बॉम्बे में किसी को नहीं जानते थे. Like my dad didn't even have, we didn't have cousins or friends or relatives, anybody in Bombay. It was not like, oh, you go वहाँ पे रहो or you know Mama ji will take care of everything or nothing like that. We just had to figure out where to live, what to do. And
Self-made,
हाँ जी.
self-made man, basically. Totally self-made man.
नो सेल्फ मेड कोई नहीं होता यार. अगर आपके माता पिता ने आपको अच्छी पढ़ाई दी है, उन्होंने इतनी मेहनत की है आपको अच्छी वैल्यूज देने के लिए, अच्छे मॉरल्स दिए हैं मेरे को, उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि अगर मेहनत करोगे तो आगे जाओगे, तो सेल्फ मेड कहाँ हुआ? दे मेड मी टू बी
Very good
केपेबल
thought. Yes.
of doing what. So
Yeah.
I think I was privileged for one because my father, my parents, my mom, they made sure that I get educated. I think I was privileged that I lived in a house where there was electricity. There was a fridge that you could go to and eat whatever the food was made. I think I was privileged that they loved me and they exposed me to better things in life. And I would never want to take that away from my parents because they really worked hard to give that to me. So when I look at other people who say, "अरे हम privileged, हमें privileged क्यों बोल रहे हैं लोग?" They are taking away the hard work of their parents when they say they were not privileged.
They are not privileged. Yes.
I don't know how people.
I mean, I can totally connect to it because a lot of people will say कि हम privileged नहीं हैं और उसके पास ज्यादा है, अरे वो तो इसको
कैसे नहीं हो?
है,
आपको आपके पेरेंट्स ने मेहनत करके स्कूल में भेजा,
राइट.
आप जब वापस आते थे आपको सुलाने के लिए वो लोरियां गाते थे, आपको सुबह उठ के खाना खिलाना. ये प्रिविलेजेस हैं जो नॉर्मल वर्ल्ड में एग्जैक्टली
या आपके ऊपर है कि आप उससे क्या करते हैं. अगर वो आपके लिए कुछ कर रहे हैं, you are already half done. You have got, you know, you have got all the raw materials to go where you want to go. अब
you have the potential and you have the capability. What you do with it is up to you, but your parents have worked hard to. So I was, they made me capable. They made me capable, able, and they gave me the confidence that, you know, if I work hard, I will get. Before that, when I was actually, one of the easier things, what made this easy was that when I was 18 years old, I was in New York and I went there as a visitor's visa. I tried to figure out a college, a normal local state university where I got admission. But for 3 months, I worked in construction there. And it taught me that, you know, कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं अपने हाथों से और अपने पैरों से, हाथ पांव मेरे चल रहे हैं तो मैं कमा सकता हूँ. तो so that gave me confidence that I'll go to the city. Let's see. मैं न्यूयॉर्क में as a 18-year-old रह चुका हूँ 2-3 महीने के लिए. यहाँ ये तो बॉम्बे है, यहाँ पे तो लोग अपनी भाषा जानते हैं, अपने लोग हैं. And after about 9-10 months of being here, the second season of Roadies happened, and they tried me out as the host of the show. And the rest, as they say, is go with
Rest
the
is
flow.
history.
Go with the flow. Yeah, I still. बहुत लोगों की जब लोग देखते हैं ना कि अरे यार सक्सेस क्या होती है, तो अभी भी जर्नलिस्ट से कई लोग ऐसे पूछते हैं, सर आप फिल्में कब करोगे. लोगों के लिए सक्सेस अलग होती है. हमारे लिए सक्सेस ये है कि अगर आपकी फैमिली खुश है, if you're providing for your family, if you can have a good life, that's very important. Yeah. So
So when you just mentioned this, Ranvijay, let me catch it up and ask you. So when you have accomplished already so much and you are so successful and you are totally fitting into your definition of success, are there still any ultimate dreams or goals that you still want to achieve and you imagine of being that? Is there
Naina
still
ji,
something?
I truly believe that one should live up to their potential. So if my potential is way more than where I am, I should achieve whatever my potential is. I see a lot of people where they were given this much, but they achieved this much a lot. And I've seen a lot of people who were already given this much and they've gone to another level, which would be more than other, but it's the potential that a person has. So I think I aspire to be better than myself every day. I aspire to do many more things. I aspire for my, I wish for my children. I have one, but I want to hopefully have many. I wish that my family does well. I wish that people that are linked to me, I meet many new youngsters and I try to help as many as in my resource. I wish to do a lot more of that. So in order for me to do more, I'll have to do better. I have to become bigger and more successful. So am I unhappy with where I am right now? No, I'm extremely happy. Do I look forward to doing better? Yes, I do. I'm not going to stop ever. I'm going to keep trying to be better, try to do more of what I'm doing. If 15 years from now I'm still doing what I'm doing, it's great because these are things that you can really move people, you can really meet people, you can change people's lives and still travel, do adventurous things, and with times new things will come in, and
Yes.
I'd like to, yeah.
So, Ranvijay, what you've just said that you want to be better every day, let me tell you what we want out of you. We want you, we want to see you forever. Like, we want to see you till end of our lives doing this, becoming an inspiration. We don't want you to stop. It's not that only
I
you
won't.
stop. We don't want you to stop. So now
So
that you are married and a father of a beautiful baby girl, tell me, in fact, tell all of us, what do you think is the little tip, tip of having a happy married life? Reveal the secret, please.
uh, it's a lot of work. You cannot take anything for granted, and I have to say that if you want a happy married life, you have to give without a question. You gotta. I think marriages give you a lot of security. वो उसका प्लस पॉइंट है कि आपको इतनी सिक्योरिटी मिल रही है, आप शादीशुदा हैं, आपकी बीवी है, ये तो मेरी है ना, ये बीवी मेरी है, ये फैमिली मेरी है. लेकिन आपको, इफ यू डोंट टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड, अगेन यू से डू, you're responsible for that person's time, that person's emotion, that person's well-being, that person's interests and everything. So you got to invest your time, your emotions in a marriage, and I can't take my wife for granted, and she can't do the same with me. And if you do that, and if it's, then it can be a happy marriage. But I want to tell youngsters who I'm also, I consider myself really young, but people who get into marriage and they call it quits really quickly is because they think that it should be organic and natural, and I love you and you love me and things are beautiful. Oh, why do I have to no, when you're in married to another family, उस फैमिली के प्रॉब्लम्स आपके प्रॉब्लम्स, उस फैमिली की खुशियां आपकी खुशियां हैं. तो उस फैमिली में अगर कोई जन्मदिन है तो आपको जाना है, या आपको एफर्ट बनाना पड़ेगा. आपको सडनली एक मामा से दो मामा हो गए यार. आपकी भी तो लाइफ इतनी खुशकिस्मती है कि आपको अभी दो डैड्स हैं, दो मॉम्स हैं, वो लोग इतना, तो काम भी तो फिर आपको दो बेटों की तरह काम करना पड़ेगा ना. इधर भी आपको बेटे की ड्यूटी करनी है, उधर भी करनी है. तो अगर आप ये चीजें मान लो और इसको करते रहो, तो फिर दोनों तरफ से डबल प्यार मिलता है.
बहुत अच्छी बात है ये. पर मोस्टली पीपल ये भूल जाते हैं कि इस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ, जो ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आती है मैरिजेस के साथ, इस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ लॉट ऑफ गिविंग एंड टेकिंग ऑफ लव आल्सो कम्स इन. So a lot
Yeah.
of people forget कि ये आप क्यों कर रहे हो, इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि आपने शादी कर ली है और ये आपकी जिम्मेदारी है, आपको
देखो
इतना कुछ मिल रहा है इस नए रिलेशनशिप से, सो यार बनता है, बिल्कुल
ने,
very true.
ने, नैना जी, मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि ये जो प्रॉब्लम्स है ना, ये कुछ अपब्रिंगिंग में है। जिस बच्चे को बचपन से बताया गया जब तुम्हारी शादी होगी वो आएगी, तुम्हारे लिए काम करेगी, तुम्हारे लिए खाना बनाएगी, तुम्हारे पैर दबाएगी, उस बच्चे को गलत समझाया गया है, गलत बताया गया। अब वो लड़का जब शादी करता है, उसको वो जो उसको बताया गया वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है, उसने अपने मॉम को देखा है ऐसे करते हुए, वो गलत है। अगर आपने बच्चे को बताएं कि यू हैव टू फाइंड अ पार्टनर, यू हैव टू फाइंड camaraderie, you have to find a companion, you'll have to take care of her. I'm worried about my parents when I say that it's my parents who gave birth to me and my wife's parents. Because when love comes, it's not like somebody's loving me less, so they also love me. So when I'm worried, यार वो भी old है, वो भी 60s में है, सबकी so जब प्यार दोनों तरफ से मिल रहा है तो आपको इजहार भी दोनों तरफ करना है।
दोनों तरफ की, but
and this is the problem with the younger generation where even the mothers and the parents have told the daughter कि जब तुम उस घर में जाओ ढंग से behave करना, ये मत करना, वो मत करना. Listen, when the mindset is that, then when you go there and you realize, hey man, why should anybody be working for anybody out? It should be a choice. I want to do things for my wife. Why? Because she likes to make my life better. I want to make her life better. So this is a give and take. And you can't just expect to sit, and a lot of boys and today's women in India are, why should they should have never taken this, but now women are like they've understood, they're educated, they're independent, they're like bhai agar tum nahi karoge,
तो मैं भी नहीं
if you don't do it तो क्यों,
It's mutual.
क्यों
मैं
करोगे?
क्यों
Of course. तो
Exactly.
ये जब तक ये रिस्पेक्ट अगर आप एक दूसरे को देते रहेंगे, प्यार देते रहेंगे, समय निकालते रहेंगे और समझेंगे, ये नहीं मुझे बॉयज नाइट करनी, मुझे बॉयज नाइट करनी। अगर आपको बॉयज नाइट ही करनी तो शादी क्यों की? आपको शादी के पर्क्स चाहिए।
Oh God, Ranvijay, you are solving problem of so many wives. आपको boys night क्यों कर रही है? It's you know
नहीं,
you are
ऐसा नहीं, मैं फेमिनिस्ट नहीं बन रहा हूँ, पर मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि मेरी वाइफ अभी इस टाइम पे अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ कहीं जाना चाहती है तो वो जाए, मैं आई टेक केयर ऑफ द हाउस एंड द बेबी। It should be equal. It should be equal. If you want to have a boys' night, great, have a boys' night. But don't be upset when your wife wants to go out with her friends also.
So
Right?
basically the thing
Balance.
is हमारा घर है.
और बैलेंस होना चाहिए, बैलेंस होना चाहिए हर चीज में।
So basically Ranvijay explained it very nice, which I also totally believe कि ये हमारा घर है, और जब ये हमारा घर है तो सब कुछ हमारा है, equal. You know, either don't say this is my home, this is my family, or don't think I have come to his home, I have come to his family. It is ours.
It's
so,
ours.
Yeah, it's ours. But
और पेरेंट्स से बहुत फर्क पड़ता है। Again, I would like to thank my parents कि उन्होंने ऐसी सोच हमें दी। My parents and Priyanka are more on one-on-one than me and my parents. And same way, me and my father-in-law, we talk more often than my wife and her father, right? So this is because they were also brought up well, and they brought us in a very equal kind of a scenario. So
because they understand our family.
We're lucky. Again, मैं कभी नहीं बोलता कि look at us, हमारो क्या upbringing दी गई है। मैं कह रहा हूँ we are lucky कि my parents was like so open-minded. We were very thankful to the army background because there everybody is equal. There is no जात, there is no जात पात, there is no religion, there is everybody is equal. सब एक साथ खाते हैं, एक साथ खेलते हैं, एक दूसरे के ऊपर निर्भर करना पड़ता है अपनी जिंदगी के लिए, right?
तो discipline भी आता है वहाँ से।
हाँ जी।
So your discipline also comes from there.
Yeah, discipline and just morals and values, and then everything is good. Yeah, if you respect people, they respect you back.
Very true, and probably that is why so many live shows that you do, MTV, Splitsvilla, they want you to come again and again and again. So maybe you know, you being so humble and so modest and doing so much with so much of gratefulness is what makes you come back again and again. So Ranvijay, tell me one thing. This question comes from a lot of us, that in Rodi's audition, in Splitsvilla audition, a lot of live shows that you audition for, you meet so many youngsters, youth of the country. You have to really be so informed and updated. How are you always so informed and updated? Yeah, whoever says whatever, you have an immediate answer. So how are you so informed and updated?
So there's a big effort in this, and again I go back to my dad. My dad would every week ask. It's called GK questions. Just ask current affairs. Have you read current affairs? He would just keep saying that. Have you read current affairs? Have you read the newspaper? It was a thing that I really like kind of put put laborers, like, how do I say, I'd labored through reading for general knowledge and current affairs so much so that it became a part of my life. I wasn't
Oh,
enjoying it when I was young. But उसके बाद जब मेरी बातें लोग सुनना शुरू किए ना, जब मैं 20 साल की उम्र में लोग मेरे को सुनने के लिए रेडी थे, because they're like, हाँ क्या बोलना है आपको, and then I had something to say about, अच्छा ये जो है ना, ये इसलिए होता है क्योंकि ये होता है. फिर I was like, वाह यार, मेरे डैड ने जो मुझे मतलब धक्के से जो स्कूल कॉलेज में जो चीजें, जो डिबेट्स वगैरह की थी, जो गलती से हो गई थी, वो उसका फायदा हो रहा है लाइफ में. तो फिर
hmm.
मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार मैं बहुत इंक्विजिटिव था बिकॉज माय डैड्स नेचर ऑफ trying to just give. I would go to Trafalgar Square, for example, and that again the exposure was given to me by my parents. अब ये बिल्डिंग क्यों है, ये कौन सा आदमी है, ये घोड़े का क्या है, व्हाट इज द सिग्निफिकेंस. इट वुड से ये है, ये लॉर्ड, ये सर जेम्स ऊटरम्स हैं, इन्होंने ये किया था. एंड देन वो, अब मैं जब पिक्चर शूट करने गया था लंदन ड्रीम्स, तो मैं ट्रफालगर स्क्वायर गया, तो वहां पे विपुल सर थे, डायरेक्टर और प्रोड्यूसर. मैंने, सर आपको बताइए कौन है. He looked at me like, नहीं रणविजय कौन है. मैंने, ये सर चार्ल्स नेपियर्स हैं. So Charles Napier's, इंडिया में जो 5 राजपूताना राइफल्स थी, he raised that regiment. He's like, what? How do you know this? I was like, yeah, because when I was here, I asked my dad and he told me this. So that kind of brought me to a place where मेरे जो दोस्त थे ना, सब मुझसे बड़े होने लग पड़े. मुझसे काफी उम्र में बड़े थे. रघु राजी मुझसे 8-10 साल बड़े. वो बहुत नॉलेजेबल थे, तो मैं उनकी बातें सुनता रहता हूँ. निखिल चिनप्पा, वो उनकी नॉलेज कई चीजों में बहुत ज्यादा है, तो मैं उनकी बातें सुनता रहता हूँ ऐसे. तो मैं लोगों की बातें सुनता हूँ, और मेरा लाइफ में ये कि मेरे को बस इन्फॉर्मेशन बटोरना है. तो फिर मैं अपने से बहुत बड़े और अपने से छोटे, जैसे वरुण सूद वगैरह है, मुझसे छोटे हैं काफी, वो मुझे नहीं, अभी पबजी चल रहा है, अभी ना ये चल रहा है, ये वाला ऐप आ गया है. तो मैं अपडेटेड रहने के लिए अपनी कंपनी काफी तरीके से चूज करता हूँ. और जो लोग के पास ओपिनियंस हो और जो बातें करते हो, डिबेट करते हो, डिबेट मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि हाँ हाय आई एम स्पीकिंग फॉर दिस, फॉर द मोशन अगेंस्ट, नहीं. जो मैं, मेरा छोटा भाई है,
But to exchange knowledge.
वो अगर मैं अपने हरमन से अगर ये बात करूं, हरमन और मेरा दोनों नेचर ऐसा है, अगर आप बोले कि डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प अच्छा है, तो मैं डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प के अगेंस्ट आपसे बात करूंगा. क्यों, आपका क्या मतलब है, व्हाट डू यू थिंक. अगर आप बोला डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प खराब है, तो जस्ट फॉर दैट कॉन्वर्सेशन आप नहीं यार सही तो कर रहा है वो, उसमें क्या, बिकॉज आई वांट टू नो कि आप उसको किस तरीके से पिच करोगे. तो ये हमारा नेचर है, और इसकी वजह से तो आई ट्राई टू कीप माई सेल्फ अपडेटेड. अभी कुछ भी नई चीज आती है, चाहे वो जूते हों, चाहे वो फैशन हो, चाहे वो करंट अफेयर्स हो, चाहे वो लेबनान के बारे में बात हो, चाहे वो अभी अमेरिका में क्या चल रहा है, ट्राई टू कीप अपडेटेड. इट्स नॉट ऑर्गेनिक एंड ऑटोमेटिक, इट टेक्स एफर्ट. एंड आई थिंक इफ यू वांट टू बी a person who's updated, you gotta read and you gotta be updated. You थोड़ा effort लगता है, but
Means there is no Ranvijay app which we can get and follow to be updated and be a patient listener like Ranvijay. बहुत ध्यान से दूसरों की बात सुने, और सिर्फ सुनने के लिए ना सुने, उसे समझने के लिए भी सुने, which is very important. A lot of us would hear others and would debate just to get into argument, just to prove कि हम सही बोल रहे हैं. हमें ये नहीं जानना होता कि दूसरे जो सोच रख रहे हैं वो सोच क्या है. We get into debates like, just you said कि you argue. You do not argue to just win. You need to listen. You want to know more, which is so good.
आर्ग्यूमेंट्स टू विन तो खत्म हो गई ना. मैं शादीशुदा हूँ, तो आर्ग्यूमेंट्स में तो हारना मेरे लिए अब नॉर्मल हो गया है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है.
So Ranvijay, this question is very personal, because when I see you on shows, I'm a motivational speaker. So a lot of people discuss their personal problems and personal experiences with you, which must be very overwhelming. बहुत emotional जाती होगी, बहुत टॉयलिंग होता होगा, वो बातें दिमाग से भी नहीं जाती होगी. हम ऐसा कुछ सुन लेते हैं कि किसी के साथ कुछ बुरा हुआ, तो हम घंटों के बारे में सोचते हैं. आपके साथ तो ये रोज आपके साथ लोग पर्सनल स्टोरीज शेयर करते हैं ऑडिशंस पे, पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम्स शेयर करते हैं ऑडिशन पे. हाउ डू यू डील विद इट? हाउ डू यू बाउंस बैक टू स्माइलिंग बैक अगेन? बिकॉज आई एम अ मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर. पीपल शेयर देयर प्रॉब्लम and it's really toiling. You just it just gets into your mind and in your heart. How do you deal with it, Ranvijay?
Yeah, to be honest, they're very heavy days of work, emotionally. Sometimes I come back home and my wife also says, "Are you okay?" I'm like, "Yeah, man. I've just like, I can't believe that some people go through these things regularly." And when you look at your life, sometimes you realize that yes, if I had gone to talk to somebody about that incident that happened in my life, they would also feel like, oh shit, man, this happened to him or her. So I realized that if this person's encouraged at this moment, because I've had some, you know, everybody's got things that have happened to them. But if you encourage the person, if they get the right support from their friends and family, and if you tell them that it'll be okay, you know, it'll be okay if you want it to be okay, if you work towards it, because time, according to me, heals everything. Time heals everything.
Time heals
And
everything.
so at that moment, initially, I used to get really, really perturbed, because I was 20 when Roadie started, when I was a Roadie. At 21, I was hosting the show, and I had to do all the tasks myself to give myself that kind of command that when I tell somebody that you'll be on fire and you'll be jumping off the building, that person can't question me, because he'll be like, dude, this is Ranvijay, अरे तू सारे task करके आया है इसको तो. So you know that I would go do a task, ace it, and 4-5 years later, people knew that this guy was, but I had to do it because I was only 20, 21. And about 25, 26, when I started being one of the guys who would listen to these stories and was part of the choosing process, by that time I had matured, because earlier things would affect me. When a person would say something, I'd be like, agar ye banda mujhe mil jaye to main isko pel दूं, मैं इसको पीट दूं. But by 25, 26, I became this person who said, no, I don't want to call out the problem again. I want to be part of the solution. What is the solution? The solution is not to beat somebody up. The solution is not to put somebody in jail. The solution is to make this person realize that life will be better if you work towards it. And that's when I think other people recognize that. And at 27, they put me as one of the guys who can listen to the people. So I would listen to people, would analyze whatever I could from whatever strange experience that I'd had, and try to tell them that, listen, if you were bullied in your life, I went to 9 different schools. There were some schools that I was bullied in, but some schools, when I went to a new school, they didn't know what my story was in the back. So I had a fresh start. So maybe try that, maybe try this. And eventually you learn to listen to a lot of people, comfort them. And, you know, if you have a healthy friend circle, and if you have a healthy family, and if you invest enough time and emotions in them, and they're there to
Support
be
you.
your sponge, you know.
To be your sponge.
And
Okay.
then you take it in, and then you start the next day saying, okay, I'm going to hopefully make a difference in other people's lives. I'll listen to them. I'll tell them what to do. And at the end of the day, I'm not really qualified to do this, but if they think that just by my example, they can, you know, turn it around, why not?
Yeah, it's great.
But it's heavy.
Ah.
It's heavy. It's heavy. I'm telling you, those days are the heaviest days of the year when you have to listen to people's problems. And it happens now regularly, because it's not just on roadies. I'm telling you that I did a show called Troll Police, where guys were, these trollers were trolling people, and these celebrities who were getting trolled. So I would listen to their stories, and even the people who were trolling, why they were trolling, what had happened in their life. I was just like, I would come back home, and I was like, my wife would be like, dude, you're just
That
done.
is
You're
to raise
emotionally
this
done.
This must be very overwhelming emotionally. लोग, whoever is watching this, please आप ये समझें कि किसी की बातें सुनना और उससे निकलना आसान नहीं है. दिमाग में, दिल में बहुत लंबे टाइम तक ये रहता है.
हाँ, मतलब आप जब आप पिक्चर देखते हो, अगर आप कोई सैड फिल्म देखते हो तो आप सैड हो जाते हो, अगर आप कुछ खुशी वाली फिल्म देखते हो आप खुश हो जाते हो, कुछ एक्शन हो रहा है तो आप पंप हो जाते हो. तो वही होता है जब कोई आपको स्टोरी बताए, यू आल्सो लाइक गो देयर, बट यू gotta, आई थिंक, आई मीन, again and again this has happened so many times that now you deal with it. It's not your problem, and you try to help the person, and you move on, man, and then you keep doing it.
So जैसे picture you get through the emotions, you get into the emotion. This show is exactly for this. If you are listening to us, this show is for this. आप रणविजय की positive बातें सुनकर, which is like so inspirational, such good thoughts, whatever we are sharing. So it's just some time that you watch this and you get inspired. आप पिक्चर देख के जैसे सैड और हैप्पी होते हैं, आप ये देखकर बहुत मोटिवेट होने वाले हैं. And Ranvijay, I won't stop questioning you, because it's not coming from a motivational speaker, it's coming from a fan. So a lot of people know your success stories, but have you ever faced any rejection? I doubt you have, but have you ever faced any rejection or failure? Do you have some story to share?
There are many rejections and failures that one has in their life, from school to college to different things. So I used to be a sportsman. I still think that I'm a sportsman. But there were times when you go for trials for nationals and you don't get selected. And but sports teaches you how to take failures really well. And I recommend that to all parents, that, when you're just into academics, and I've seen this, कि बच्चे वो first to ninth first आते हैं, जो अगर 10th में second भी आ गए तो अफसोस होता है उनको, थोड़ा डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हैं, या whereas a sportsman, वो आज हारता है, कल मैच जीत जाता है, you understand what were your shortcomings, you practice harder, you exercise more, you eat better, you get better, and suddenly you realize that, hey man, losing is a part of life, but if you actually work hard, you'll win. आज हार गए सेम बंदे से, 11th क्लास 10th क्लास से हारती रहती थी, बट फिर एक दिन हमने 10th क्लास ने 11th क्लास को हरा दिया क्योंकि हम अच्छा खेले उस दिन. तो उसमें you realize that failures and rejections are just
Part of life.
a part of life, man. So there are times when you go for you meet somebody for a project in your career and it doesn't happen, and you're like, man, and then you see the movie becomes a 100 crore film, and you're like, shit, man, I wish I. But if wishes were horses, then you'd be riding a horse right now, right? But you just take in your stride, and you look at again the things that you have in your life, and what is quality of life according to you. अगर वो चल रहा है, अगर आपने मेहनत की है, तो आपकी लाइफ आपके हिसाब से अच्छी चलनी चाहिए, and then you just
crack it.
I actually think that if there was no failure, you won't enjoy other things.
Success.
It's really strange, because अगर आपकी लाइफ में सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है, तो वो जब अगली अच्छी चीज होगी, आपको बोलोगे हाँ यार ये तो नॉर्मल है. Whereas when you've seen rejection and failure, and then the day that you get an ad also, for example, I'm telling you about this career, if you've been rejected in auditions many times, and suddenly the day you get an ad, which is not a big thing for other people, you like, man, you celebrate that, you're like, wow, come on. फिर अगर आपको कोई वेब सीरीज के लिए कॉल करता है, आप कहते हो, oh, come on. अगर आप शुरू से ही सक्सेस में ही पले हैं, बड़े हैं, आपको लाइफ में तो कुछ, मुझे लगता है कि लाइफ में मजा नहीं है अगर सक्सेस के अलावा अगर फेलियर्स और कुछ रिजेक्शंस ना हो. ऑल्सो थोड़ा लाइफ में आईना देखना बहुत जरूरी है यार. पता है क्या होता है, अगर आप रिजेक्ट होंगे तो आपको आईना दिखता है कि हाँ, मैं ही 30 मार्क का नहीं हूँ यार. लोगों को ऐसा, पीपल गेट ऑफेंडेड, ओह मेरा रिजेक्शन. बट नो मैन, यू गेट रिजेक्टेड, यू शुड क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ, because other people are getting selected.
There's a big world. People should understand it's a big world. You are just someone. You have to really work hard and.
तो आईना देखो और अपने ऊपर वर्क करो यार. तो रिजेक्शन के बाद कभी-कभी मुझे भी लगता है कि हाँ यार, एक्चुअली अभी मैं इतना फिट नहीं हूँ उस रोल के लिए. उन्होंने मेरे बारे में नहीं सोचा क्योंकि मैं उस रोल को सूट नहीं करता हूँ. वो बंदा मुझसे अच्छा लग रहा है, राइट. मैं बास्केटबॉल में 14 इयर्स की एज में अंडर 17 में नहीं हुआ सिलेक्ट क्योंकि मैं इतना लंबा नहीं था. तो वो मेरे में अपने लुक इनवर्ड्स एंड इंप्रूव आउटवर्ड्स. हमेशा सिस्टम में खोट मत ढूंढो कि यार मैं रिजेक्ट हो गया, इनकी गलती है, इन्होंने मुझे सिलेक्ट नहीं किया. नहीं, ये भी सोचो कि अब हो गया ना रिजेक्शन, अगले साल कैसे सिलेक्ट होना है. ऐसा खेलो, ऐसे शॉट्स मारो कि सिलेक्टर भी बोले यार इसको सिलेक्ट नहीं करूंगा तो मेरी बेइज्जती हो जाएगी.
उनके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं.
अब जब नहीं हुआ, आपने मेहनत भी करी, तो ये भी समझ लो कि हाँ शायद इस चीज का एप्टीट्यूड मेरे में नहीं है. तो उसको अपने पैशन के लिए अपनी लाइफ में रखो. अगर मैं बास्केटबॉल एनबीए के लिए नहीं खेलता हूँ आज, तो ये मतलब थोड़ा ही मैं बास्केटबॉल छोड़ दूं. मुझे अभी बास्केटबॉल मस्ती के लिए, पैशन के लिए मजेदार लगता है, मैं खेलता हूँ. अब अगर मुझे उसके लिए मिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स नहीं मिल रहे एनबीए की तरफ से, तो वो तो जिद हो जाएगी ना फिर. So you gotta analyze yourself, your potential, your capability, your aptitude, and take rejection, turn it around. कई लोग मैं जानता हूँ जिनको एक्टिंग में रिजेक्शन मिला इतना, but they turned around, they were like big casting directors, producers, and they've turned. So rejection में भी आप पॉजिटिव चीजें ढूंढ सकते हैं.
कुछ भी वेन नहीं जाता. Maybe you are gaining experiences and you don't know that you are gaining experience for so much. आप कितनी अलग-अलग experiences कर रहे हो. Ranvijay, you are so accomplished and you have reached where very few people reach.
नहीं, अभी है और टाइम.
Okay, we are waiting for it and we are all ready for it. But then, Ranvijay, tell me one thing. Is there any success mantra? I don't know if the word mantra should be fit. Is there any philosophy of life or quote you live by, which has been your constant? Ki, this is my success mantra. I have been like this. That is why I have reached here.
So I think the reason I'm here wherever I am is because of my upbringing, the nature that I have. I mean, even if my talent is not as good as another person, but the experience that you have of working with me will be nice. You'll always have fun around me. Things around me are also always. I'm always pumped to do things. I make people play frisbee. I make people do crazy things. So I'm fun to hang around with. I think that gives people um, an added bonus point कि यार रणवीर के साथ दोबारा काम करते हैं. I think it's that. And I've never had anybody not work with me again. And that's not because of my talent, obviously. It's because of the company that they get. I think that's that.
So,
That's all.
so it means you're playing on the strengths. It's like maybe you are very talented, but then you have other things also which not many people have. Very good nature, not cribbing about things, which I've read about you a lot. So you have other things which not many people have. So talent, maybe, a few more people can have, but that nature not many people have. So you play on your strengths, huh? So you make
Playing
the
on a
best
strength is very important. That's part
yes,
of like in the army also, they analyze you after you're trained. What is your strength, and they allocate you to infantry, armored, signals, or whatever, depending on your skill set. It's very important to play on your strengths, but sometimes you should do things for passion also. So my strength could be hosting, but my passion is river rafting. So river rafting doesn't have to be my profession. River rafting could be things that I do every now and then whenever I get the opportunity, right? My passion could be going off-roading or going trekking. Doesn't mean I have to become a trekking guide, because that might not be my aptitude, or I might not be great at it. So I think passion or skill set or strengths, अगर इसमें सही मिश्रण हो, सही balance हो, some people are lucky, like I'm lucky that I get to do all these things as my profession. क्योंकि मेरी इसमें रुचि है, क्योंकि मेरा इसमें इंटरेस्ट है. अगर मैं बाइक्स में मेरा इंटरेस्ट है और बचपन से लोग देख रहे हैं यार ये बंदा बाइकर है, बाइकर है, बाइकर है, अब मुझे लोग बाइक कंपनीज बोलती हैं क्या आप हमारे लिए बाइक राइड करेंगे यहाँ से ले तक. मैं कहा हाँ क्यों नहीं करूंगा. सो somewhere if you're true to your passion, if you're true to who you are. Today NBA has called me for the last 6 years and they want to promote NBA in India. They call me and I do promotions with them. I go to watch games to the States too, because I was passionate about the sport. So that gets recognized over a period of time, and you then get what you deserve.
तो आपको जिसमें भी रुचि थी आपने उन चीजों को पीछे नहीं छोड़ा कि अब मैं सेलिब्रिटी बन गया हूँ या मैं आई एम होस्टिंग, आई एम एन एक्टर, so why should I invest my time on my bike riding or my adventure sport? I should go to acting school, I should take a acting training, I should sharpen that, I should sharpen this. You continue to follow what your heart always wanted to. You did not leave it, and that is why
I
down the line you the benefits of it.
Naina, I think whenever you talk to people, you'll realize that the people who are happy are the ones who live life, right? So I continue to live. There were many times when I got opportunities to do some fictional series and stuff like that on where I could have worked for 4 to 5 years every day of my life and earned crazy money. But I was like, dude, मैं अभी 25 साल का हूँ, 25 से 30 के बीच में मैं हर रोज काम करूँ या मैं ऐसी चीजें करूँ जहाँ पर मुझे इटली में बाइक चलाने का मौका मिल रहा है, या ऐसी चीजें करूँ जहाँ पर मैं ब्राजील में हूँ, ये कर रहा हूँ. So I value experiences and living life more than earning certain amount of money.
That is
because for me, growing up again, fun was to play sports, fun was to go for treks, and fun was to cycle around and go off-roading and all that. And all of that cost me 0 rupees because of the platform that my parents gave me in the army background, the cantonment. So the army, we were posted in such places जहाँ पर मजे के लिए आप जामुन के पेड़ पे चढ़ जाते थे या आप किसी खेत में घुस जाते थे. You take a cycle, you go to the river. I realized that for me, I didn't need money to have fun, so you never followed that. And touch wood, it's good.
Very nice. Ranvijay, not many people understand कि even if it's failure, even it's not worth anything, free के experiences भी लाइफ में बहुत आगे लेकर जाते हैं. नॉलेज इज पावर, और ये एक्सपीरियंसेस ही हमें बनाते हैं. बहुत सारे लोग हर चीज में बेनिफिट ढूंढते हैं कि व्हेन आई वाज अ किड, सो माय पेरेंट्स वुड आस्क मी समटाइम्स कि कॉलोनी में एक डांस फंक्शन हो रहा है या एक स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस हो रहा है, यू गो एंड डांस. एंड आई वुड बी लाइक, मम्मी अपने बच्चे को ट्यूशन नहीं भेजकर या सोते हुए को उठाकर कॉलोनी के डांस परफॉर्मेंस में कौन भेजता है. एंड इवेंचुअली आई रियलाइज कि दोस थिंग्स लाइक टुडे आर हेल्पिंग मी इन अ बिग वे. आई हैव confident about myself because of those performances. So we seek for benefits in everything we do. कि यार इससे क्या होगा, इससे तो कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा है, उससे तो कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा है, पर कहीं ना कहीं जाकर कुछ ना कुछ वे में वो आपको कुछ ना कुछ जरूर देगा. आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस कभी कहीं नहीं जाते, वो आपके काम ही आते हैं. So Ranvijay, tell me one thing. Kainat is very near and dear to you, so you must be wanting Kainat to be something like this, like someone like you. So what one trait is there in you which you want Kainat to have? And we also want to know what is that one trait in you which you do not want Kainat to have. So,
I don't want her to be a pushover.
okay.
I want her to have a spine, and I want her to stand for whatever she believes in. And I want her to be the quality that I want her to have is adaptability. She should adapt to any situation.
Oh, so that comes from you. Totally from you.
Both should come from me.
Both should come from you.
And
Okay.
actually Priyanka, my wife, doesn't take shit from anyone, and I think she'll get that from her naturally. And being adaptable, I hope to inculcate that quality in her. I'll work towards it.
So she is, blessed enough to have the best of both the worlds, being able to have your own spine and fight for things you do not want, you do not like, and also sometimes let ignore and be adaptable and let things
Be adaptable to situations.
adaptable to
If there is no electricity in the house, doesn't mean I can't do anything. I'll adapt. I'll figure out a way to do something. If there is nobody to plow the fields, I will plow the fields. I will grow a crop. If there is nobody to entertain us, you need to adapt to a situation. If
अंधेरों को कोसने से क्या फायदा, जलाओ मोमबत्ती बुझाओ अंधेरा, is what Ranvijay is, right? Yeah. Okay. So Ranvijay, we have done so much of talking and we can keep on doing it. I am no coffee with Karan. I'm just normal, simple person, but you're going to get your hamper. Let's play one speedometer. Are you ready for it?
I'm ready.
Okay. So now everyone just be alert. We are going to play speedometer with Ranvijay and let's see if he gets the hamper. Okay. So favorite pick, Ranvijay as an actor, Ranvijay as a host.
Ranvijay as a person. Ranvijay as a person.
Okay, so next one. Books, web series.
Web series.
Okay. Tough, emotional.
Emotional.
Emotional. Nobody must be believing this emotional. I mean, how could you manage so many people with such emotional nature? So next one. Favorite holiday destination. You travel so much.
Leh.
Leh. India. See, people, there are people who have traveled world and then, they still appreciate India. That's for that. So the next one, foodie, health freak.
Foodie.
Foodie, fitness secret.
Sports.
Sports. Okay, so you go running, you do cycling, and there's so much of adventure sport.
No, I just play many sports and it keeps me fit.
Okay.
I didn't have to when I was growing up work really hard to eat this, do this, exercise, make this, do this. No, I just played a lot of sport, and because I had to do strength and conditioning for that particular sport, I just became fit all my life.
So it's no gymming, nothing. It's a natural, natural flow of sports, which is.
But when the sports went down in my life, then you have to fill that void of sports through exercises and through workouts and through different things. But I truly, even till now, if I play a game of basketball, I don't have to run. I don't have to do lunges. I don't have to do push-ups. You just play basketball, tough game, and so if you play a lot of sports, you'll be healthy. But eventually, to become a great basketball player or a good basketball player, when I was younger, I had to do strengthening exercises. At that time, you had to do push-ups. At that time, you had to do sprints and runs and long distance running to build your stamina and all that. But it's because of sports that I'm fit.
Okay, so next one. 3 people you can't do without. I know it's difficult. 3 people you can't do without.
Kainat, Priyanka. Okay. If I say mom or dad, then one or the other will get upset. Harman, many other. Bimal.
Okay, so
Kai, Priyanka, Bimal.
Huh? Are you listening, guys?
So Kai and Priyanka are my wife and daughter, and Bimal is the guy who's been with me for 19 years.
Amazing. You're blessed to have such friends in your life, such people in your life. So next thing, 3 things you can't do without.
3 things. Material things?
Yeah, material things you can't do without.
Material things. Cell phone.
Okay.
Can't do without it anymore because it does so many things for us. From work to watching things to taking pictures of Kai to making videos. Sneakers, because I got to play sports, jump around, do things. And the third thing would be, I'd like a battery pack because I don't want my phone to get spoiled. But it could be water, bottle of water, because everything I want to do is if I'm wearing a sneaker and Kai and Priyanka are around, we'll be running around, and yeah, I think it'll be that.
Simple things. Okay. So
Yeah,
now,
phone's not simple. Phone kind of covers a lot of things, right?
so next question is that only. So what is the first thing that you check on your phone? WhatsApp, Twitter, YouTube, Tinder, Instagram. What is the first thing that you check on your phone?
When I get up in the morning, the first thing is WhatsApp, because we have family chats, work calls, messages, all of that. WhatsApp is the first thing that you check, that I check. Once WhatsApp is done, you answer, you figure out meetings, this and that. The next thing would be Instagram,
Okay.
because again, work related, or sometimes posting a picture with Kai or Pri or whatever. So yeah, but first is WhatsApp. It's a communicative device, the app,
So what
and
first on your list, and then comes everything else. Okay, so
yeah,
we all know you are so obsessed with your phone. Your wife never has a problem with you using so much of phone,
she,
or your family never has a problem. You
she
know,
does, she
she does.
does, she does.
And how do you deal?
Try to maintain a balance. Try to be diplomatic and try to be like, "Acha, acha, theek hai, I'll keep it." And and she
I
also.
uh,
And try to call her out every time she's on the phone. Ah, you're also on the phone. What are you doing today? Oh, I'm posting. So it's a bit of a give and take, and a little bit of a tussle.
here and
And
there. So Ranvijay, everyone is your fan. Who are you a fan of?
fan of many
Fast,
people.
you are a fan
Um,
of?
Michael Jordan,
Okay.
big fan. Kobe Bryant, lots of basketball players I'm a fan of. I'm a fan of like when people say who do you look up to, I look up to my grandfather a lot and my dad. All the men and women in our family, they're amazing. But if I had to be one guy, it's Michael Jordan.
Okay. Who's that one person on your WhatsApp and Instagram whose WhatsApp and Instagram stories you never miss? You always, see. You never miss seeing their stories. Who's that one person? Fast, fast, fast. You don't have to think and be diplomatic.
No, it's not diplomatic. I'm not when I'm on Instagram. जिसका story आता है मैं देख लेता हूँ, but ऐसा नहीं that I have to go and look at this person's story.
Someone's story. There's no one like that.
No one particular.
No.
No, like, oh, I have to go and see, like, no. Not even Priyanka's. Like, even Priyanka doesn't say, have you not seen my story? No. There are times when I get a message from somebody saying, अरे तू मेरा story देखा, उसमें मैंने तेरा cap पहना है या तेरा वो जूता पहना है. So then I go and see and I reshare it. But ऐसा, I'm okay with missing out on content because there's so much now.
Okay, so there's no one like that. Okay, great. So next question is, everyone knows you are a sneaker freak. So you already own so many sneakers and shoes, but then is there still some sneaker or some shoe that you want to own and you don't have it?
Many. There are some game-worn Air Jordans that I'd like to have. There are game-worn Kobe Bryants that I would have loved to have from him. But anyways, uh, Nike mags. There are many on my list.
Oh, okay. We are listening. Okay.
Many.
So,
There are SB Dunks, Day of the Dead. Many यार, many. बहुत जूते हैं ऐसे जो अभी नहीं है हमारे पास.
अच्छा, बहुत जूते हैं ऐसे जो नहीं है हमारे पास, और इतने जूते हैं हमारे पास. Oh God, such a sneaker freak. Okay, Ranvijay, 2 questions are my personal favorite. So you
Okay.
get those cups which says happiness is. So if you have to launch a cup of your own, what is happiness is? Those cups.
Happiness is being alive. I think. Yeah.
Super thumbs up for this one. Happiness is being alive. And I want all the companies to launch one. Happiness is with this particular caption and quote. Happiness is being alive, which is not already there. Okay. So the next favorite question of mine is, since this show is Zindagi Aapki Hai, Yani life is yours, and you know how much unconventional you are. Do not be shy of yourself and live it fully. You tell me, how can you express in words that you have proved कि जिंदगी आपकी है. आप कैसे मेरी जिंदगी आपकी है को एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो अपने मामले में?
I think this is a great time for people to understand that all the friends and all the things that they thought, मुझे ये लेना है, मुझे ये करना है, मुझे ये गाड़ी लेनी है, मुझे बंगला लेना है, मुझे अपने friends को दिखाना है, मुझे ये जूते चाहिए, ये all the material things, all the so-called groups, the friend groups that they had and all of that, अभी दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो चुका होगा. समझ गए होंगे कि उनकी जिंदगी में क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है क्या नहीं है, उनको समझ आ गया हो कि उनको जिंदगी में क्या चाहिए. दे वांट फिटनेस, वर दे वर्किंग ऑन इट, दे नीडेड म्यूजिक, डिड दे इम्प्रूव देयर स्किल. तो दे अंडरस्टूड कि यार ये जिंदगी मेरी है. And even when I don't have anybody, because especially in this situation, these are things that I wanted to do, these are things that I loved. And I think after this, the peer pressure of being at a certain place at a certain time, वो club है, वहाँ दिखना है, या ये कपड़े हैं, इसमें होना चाहिए, हमारी सोसाइटी में ये नाम होना चाहिए, I think वो सब चीजें पीछे हो जानी चाहिए. अभी you can focus on what you and your family, what gave you happiness when there was nobody around. You should focus on which are the friends that you connected to during the lockdown, and it'll teach you what your life is. जिंदगी आपकी है और आपको समझ आ जाएगा आपकी क्या चाहिए आपको जिंदगी से. So I guess you should be involved in things that you love and connect to those kind of people who appreciate you for that.
राइट, ट्रूली सेड कि जिंदगी आपकी है, ये अभी समझ में आ जाएगा, क्योंकि ये मैटर नहीं करता कि बाहर क्या चल रहा है, मैटर ये करता है कि अंदर क्या चल रहा है, आपके अंदर, आपके आसपास क्या चल रहा है. अल्टीमेटली जब आप अपने घरों में लॉकडाउन थे तो जो मैटर करता था वो थी आपकी फैमिली, आपकी क्लोज फ्रेंड्स. राइट. So how nicely you have described जिंदगी आपकी है. So Ranvijay, you have won our speedometer. We don't have any hamper to give you right now because it's
कोई बात नहीं.
You get a lots and lots of love for all of us.
Actually, मैं ना आपने बहुत सारे सवाल कर लिए, but मुझे भी मतलब I also interact with a lot of people. I have a couple of questions. One, जिंदगी आपकी है. How did you come up with this name of the show? And what is the real? I mean, now I've done the first episode, so I understand. But what is the real motive of doing the show?
So, Ranvijay, I realized with time कि लाइफ में सोशल प्रेशर बहुत है, बहुत ज्यादा. There's a lot of societal pressure. I have a little baby, so I see a kind of world. Thank you. I want to see a kind of world where I don't have to raise my child according to people's expectation. मैं चाहती हूँ कि आने वाली जनरेशन ये जाने कि लाइफ उनको भगवान ने दी है, उनके पेरेंट्स के थ्रू दी है, तो ये लाइफ कितनी मूल्यवान है. how precious this life is. I want them to know कि जिंदगी उनकी है, लाइफ उनकी है. You don't have to live by the norms of the society. You don't have to live by how others want you to live. I want the youth to know कि आप दूसरों को देखकर सोशल मीडिया पे, व्हाट्सएप पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे इंटिमिडेटेड मत फील करें कि आप किसी से कम हैं. डोंट लेट इट टेक द बर्डन ऑफ इनएडिक्वेसी इन यू. आप ये मत फील करें दूसरों की स्टोरीज या दूसरों की लाइफ देखकर कि आप किसी से कम हैं, या वो तो बड़े मजे से है, उसको तो ये एक्स्ट्रा एडवांटेज है. आप लोगों को जहां आज देख रहे हैं, मे इट बी नरेंद्र मोदी, मे इट बी अ लोकल पॉलिटिशियन, मे इट बी शाहरुख खान और अ ग्रेट एक्टर, और मे इट बी अ न्यू कमर, may it be Ranvijay or some new host, may it be Dhoni or may it be a Ranji player, whoever it is, you are seeing them right now. आपने वो struggle नहीं देखा, आपने वो hard work नहीं देखा जो उसके पीछे गया है. कोई भी एक दिन में overnight success नहीं किसी को भी मिलती है. There's a lot of hard work which goes at the back end. 5 साल का कम से कम टाइम लगता है, स्ट्रगल लगता है कहीं पहुंचने के लिए. तो लोग लोगों की सक्सेस स्टोरीज देखकर सोच लेते हैं कि सक्सेस में ओवरनाइट मिल जाएगी. ऐसा नहीं होता है. आप देखिए कि उन लोगों ने क्या क्या उसके पीछे किया है. अपने सपनों को फ्लेक्सिबल रखिए, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप अपने सपने बदलते रहे कि आज मैं डांस कॉम्पिटिशन में गया, मैं हार गया, तो मैं अब तो डांस करना ही छोड़ दूंगा. लाइक यू हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड, लाइफ इज अ कंटिन्यूअस जर्नी. You will fail, fall down, you have to rise up and go through it. That is what. And yeah, tell me.
Sorry, so I meet a lot of youngsters, on Roadies and Splits or other shows and all that, and they also feel this being dejected. They feel low, they feel demoralized, and I think what you just said would be a great message for them. They would also, when they listen to this, they would also kind of take this and better their life. So that would be your message for them, do you think, or would you want to add something for them?
Yeah, so just one thing, patience is the key word. Be patient. Patience is the key word. There is nothing like a magical lottery which will happen overnight and
लगे रहो. If तो ये पॉइंट सही है, because I think जितने भी यंग लोग देख रहे हैं या जो भी आप एक मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर हैं, when you interact with them, if you're passionate about something, then keep doing it. If you stop doing it, that means you're not passionate for it anymore. Exactly. Which is okay. अगली चीज को पकड़ो, राइट? क्योंकि अगर आपका पैशन खत्म हो गया है, दैट इज व्हाई यू सेड कि अब मुझे नहीं करना। अगर आप कह रहे हो कि नहीं नहीं मैं इसलिए नहीं कर रहा, मुझे पैसे नहीं मिल रहे, दैट मींस आपका पैशन ही नहीं था वो। आपका
Right.
पैशन था मुझे पैसे चाहिए इससे, मुझे
Right.
स्टार बनना है, क्योंकि मुझे स्टार को जो मिलता है वो वाली चीजें चाहिए। फिर आपका पैशन एक्टिंग नहीं है, आपका पैशन
पैसे
है कि मुझे ये सब